Hi everyone, it's Anna with Pink Monarch Prints, and I'm here with just a fun flip through from a really fun little project that I just finished, and it was one I really enjoyed, so I thought I'd share it. You can actually buy this exact kit if you want. The link is down below, and it's in the Etsy shop now. It's kind of a new format I'm trying. It's a master class. So it's one that's going to walk through you through the process, very detailed. Everything you need to make it is included in your digital kit, except obviously your physical supplies that you're going to need to have on hand, you know, ink, scissors, glue, things like that. But anyway, it's just kind of a fun new format that I wanted to try to get a little more specific for beginners, or obviously if you're more experienced, this will be a fun project for you as well. But that's linked down below. And it includes your digital kit, and it includes the link to the YouTube tutorial that will walk you through it. So anyway, just a fun project to try if you're interested, and let's kind of get going through here. So this is a really small, it's about the size of a deck of cards. A really compact, fun little journal. And I love the size. It's been a really fun one to hold. So obviously, if you make this kit, you can do it exactly like mine, or you can switch things around. And almost anything in here is interchangeable. On this little tag, I added an extra little pocket just for fun. And then we have lots of these pockets with fun little bits in them. And also inside of each page, so there's 8 altogether, there's a journaling card created within these pockets for each one. So that's fun. There's a couple of belly bands that have envelopes, and inside of each one, there's different styles of journaling cards. So this one is a little tiny mini book that you can open and journal in. Some of them I just have tags in. You could make more of these. There's extra material if you want. So just fun little things. And again, we have our journaling card inside. We have some more tags here. Most of it's fairly straightforward. I think the excitement and interest comes with the huge variety of images. They're really beautiful, really fun colors, really beautiful images to work with. So, I mean, I just love these little details in this one. So another tag that we collaged on, some cute bits. And like these are added on, so you can kind of change and play around with what you want on each tag. Here's another one of our little tiny envelopes, and this one has a little tag inside that we collaged on. So really cute, really simple. I love it. There's no sewing involved, but I love how this binding comes together. It's kind of a fun technique. And really easy, so that's always a fun discovery. And here we are at the end. We've got another little pocket and one more pocket with our last tag envelope. So anyway, really fun, really cute. I have to just show you an up close of some of these pages because they're just, I love the colors, I love the detail, and it was a really fun project. It came together fairly quickly, and it's super satisfying to hold it and enjoy the details of it. So anyway, there you have it, and then this fun closure, we just close that up and tuck that in. But anyway, a really fun project. So I'll post everything down below if you want to try a masterclass with us. Then that's the link that you'll follow. And anyway, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you later. Bye.